Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Marco. Marco was bright and full of dreams. He wanted to be successful, respected, and make a difference in life. But there was one problem. He always looked for shortcuts. He would start something with excitement, reading a book, practicing a skill, exercising, but after a few days he would stop. He wanted big results quickly, and when they didn't come, he gave up. One day Marco went to meet the village wise man, an old monk known for guiding lost souls. Marco said, "Master, I work so hard, but my life is not changing. Why do I feel stuck?" The old man smiled and handed Marco a small empty pot and a handful of seeds. "Plant one seed every day in this pot. Water it daily. Come back to me after 1 month," he said. Marco was confused but agreed. For the first few days, Marco was excited. He planted a seed, watered the pot, and waited. But by the third day, he became restless. Nothing is happening, he thought. Still, he remembered the old man's words and kept going. Days turned into weeks. Marco watered the pot daily, though there was still no sign of a plant. Many times he felt like stopping. What's the point? I'm wasting my time, he thought. But something inside told him to keep going. On the 15th day, when Marco poured water, he noticed a tiny green shoot emerging from the soil. His eyes lit up with joy. "It's so small, but it's growing," he whispered. That little sprout inspired him to continue watering it every single day. By the third week, the sprout had turned into a young plant. It still seemed fragile and soft, yet Marco felt proud of it. He began waking up early just to water it. He shielded it from strong winds and made sure it received enough sunlight. Gradually, Marco realized that he himself was changing too. He was becoming more patient, disciplined, and steady. After a month, the plant had grown firm and healthy. Marco carried the pot to the old man and said with a bright smile, "Look, master, it finally grew." The old man nodded and replied, "And what about you, Marco? Did you grow as well?" Marco looked puzzled. "Me? Yes," said the wise man softly. "Before you wished for great changes overnight, but this plant showed you that real growth takes time. You kept watering it even when nothing seemed to happen. That is persistence, and that, my son, is the key to success." Marco's eyes filled with tears as realization dawned on him. From that day forward, he changed the way he lived. Instead of chasing quick results, he began taking small, steady steps each day. He read 10 pages daily. He exercised for 15 minutes every morning. He practiced writing for half an hour without missing a day. He stopped worrying about immediate results. His only focus was on keep showing up and doing his work with dedication. As the months went by, Marco grew wiser, stronger, and more skilled. People in the village began to notice the transformation. The same boy who once gave up easily had become the most disciplined and successful young man around. One day, a younger boy approached him and asked, "Marco Bhaiya, how can I succeed?" Marco smiled gently and replied, "Take small steps every day. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Remember, even the tallest tree begins as a tiny seed." My friends, life doesn't change in a single night. Great results come from small actions repeated daily. Many people fail not because they lack ability, but because they quit too early. Consistency may seem dull at first, but it is the strongest force behind true transformation.